Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to JM Publishers. I am your teacher Zathir Fatma, and the book which we are doing, Maths of Nursery. Dear students, today we will learn about secondary colors. Let's say it together. There are three secondary colors: orange, green, and purple. This is orange. Look, this is an orange. This shirt is an orange shirt. Yes, and this is an orange ball. अब हम चलते हैं अपने ग्रीन कलर की तरफ. Now this is green. This is a green leaf. This is a green pear. And these are green grapes. Now look. This is purple. This is a purple shoes. This is a purple cup. And this is a purple bag. Wow! Dear students, well done. Now we know our secondary colors: orange, green and purple.